the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Oh man, what the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Fuck it, let's get it there. Got too much on my plate, I second guess nothing for nothing. I throw this rap out the window, I'll make another like nothing. We built this shit from the ground up, I don't ask questions, I solve them. I'll get some money, then I'll spend it, but don't rap like I'm ballin'. My time ain't nothing but now. My team been going for powwows. I'll give them shit so real that DJ's about to do triple South cows. Yeah, I've been singing and rapping and singing and such. I look around, these dudes be focused on it, look like too much. And I think it's time I calm it down just a little. Just a little, just a little. Nah, fuck it. I don't believe in predictions, I just believe in conviction. And since I quit on my bitchin', I heard them all start to listen. Say, oh man, what the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Oh man, what the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Fuck it, let's get it there. Don't trip like Casey and JoJo, you know this bro going proto. I rock a jean jacket with a jean shirt and some jeans at the Soho. I don't fit in with no genre, I got some screws loose, it's true. Pop sky that's there and make you duck like when Kendrick go doo-doo. I made some boo-boos to move you, I guess that's how I got through though. My team ain't signing no papers, it's off the book, shout out Juju. I got some shit on my sleeve, I got some dirt on my hands. I got no yes man here around me to go say I'm the man. So I think it's time I calm it down just a little. Just a little, just a little. Nah, fuck it. I don't believe in no luck like they don't believe till it's something. I dreamt this all in my sleep and never woke up to no buzzer. I'm bugging. Oh man, what the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Oh man, what the hell he about to do? What the hell he about to do right now? Fuck it, let's get it there.